1954 Chevrolet pickup here. A regular cab long box. You can see a side mount on the step side there. Side mounted spare. Now, a few things that were new in 1954 in these trucks. As you can see, there's no center strip dividing a two-piece windshield. Just have the one-piece curved windshield. That was a first in 54, and this bullnose grill was also a first in 54. Got rid of the horizontal grill. And underneath the hood, 235 inline 6-cylinder. Would have replaced the 216 inline 6 back in 1954. So a little bit about this truck compared to the same similar body style. Differences in 1954. Now this particular truck has had a repaint, and they kind of went with this dark green. It's kind of, I don't know how to explain it. Almost has a little bit of a patina or kind of an aged look to it. It's not a trailer queen by any means paint job, but something you would expect on, an older Chevy truck like this. I mean, paint's in decent shape, but like I said, not your $20,000-$30,000 house of color paint job or anything like that, but something that looks good on an older Chevy truck. Now, if you want to check out the still pictures so you can see the pics all the way around, I got close-ups, I got the underside, interior, engine bay. Check out the still pictures at uniqueclassiccars.com. Down below this video in the description, there's a link. Click on it. It's going to take you right to the website and the pictures. And of course, feel free to call us, 507-386-1726. Some recent service work that was done to this truck, also master cylinder, the front wheel cylinders, and also front brake shoes. So basically new brakes up front and master cylinder. Interior still retains pretty much the stock look, and I'll get around to the driver's side. We'll pop the door, start it up so you can hear it run. Now remember, we do consider trades. We can sure assist with the transportation of this vehicle. Financing is available, and it may be eligible for an extended service contract. So consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. Wood in the box, decent shape. Not rotted or full of holes or anything like that. So still functional. Again, kind of, I would say, how would you say it? Kind of, again, has that look of a mid-50s truck. It's what you expect the box to look like in it. All right, remember, uniqueclassiccars.com. Down below this video in the description, there's a link. Click on it. It's going to take you right there. Of course, steel wheels, wheel covers, the Chevy logo. Here you can kind of see what I'm talking about with that paint. I mean, you can see the reflection of the showroom and the lights behind me, but yet it's not a real clear pops. It's kind of a little darker green, lighter green. Just again, it's kind of what you'd expect to see. I'm trying to make the truck kind of look era correct from days of yesteryear, so to speak. All right, let's go ahead and check out this interior. Take a look at the bottoms of the doors. Door panels up in the top have been redone in a brown kind of saddle vinyl, I guess, if you will. Looks good under here too. I took pictures under the floor so you can see that. Lots of times you'll see them all rusted out down along there. This truck does have a clear title. Of course, the VIN plate, the VIN would be right down there. VIN is on it. Everything's good. Let's go ahead and start this up. I did play around in here a little bit. Speedometer does work, and it is accurate. Wipers work, and it appeared the other gauges did too. There we go. 235 inline 6 fired up. And you can see the oil pressure came up, fuel came up. Amps moves. I'm guessing the temp is going to come up as it warms up. And once again, the tech did drive it. Told me the speedometer does work, and it is accurate. Like I said, the wipers did work also. Look how smooth it runs. Door closes nicely. Looks like a new exhaust pipe coming out the rear here. But again, not smoking. Sounds good. What you would expect the truck to sound like. I'm going to slip up to the front. I'm going to pause this a second. I want to pop this hood so you guys can take a look at it. So hang on 1 second. Let me get this open. Let's check out that engine bay. And best of all, that hood opened nicely. Lots of times this body style, they can be a pain sometimes up here in the front. Open nicely. There you go, inline 6, 235. Again, first year of it in the 1954. As you can hear, smooth runner. Pretty stock looking engine bay. Trucks are getting harder and harder to find, folks. They have been selling quite well. So give us a call, 507-386-1726, uniqueclassiccars.com. Down below this video in the description, there's a link. Click on it. It's going to take you right to our website. And remember, we do consider trades. We can help you out with the transportation needs that you may have. Financing is available. And of course, this vehicle may qualify for an extended service contract. Give us a call or email. Look forward to hearing from you.